Let's be real, everybody dreams of financial freedom, but the truth is that the journey is different for each of us. Some people hit it big in a few years, others it may take them a decade or more, and honestly, most people never get there at all. But here's the thing, there's no get rich quick scheme, and I won't come here and pretend like my path was flawless. My journey took a lot of trial and error, late nights, and lessons learned the hard way. Today I'm sharing the 6 income streams that have completely changed my life, contributing thousands of dollars to my bank account month after month for the past 3 years. These aren't just side hustles or one-hit wonders. I'm talking about real sustainable sources of income that have allowed me to pursue my passions, buy my own equipment, and design a life I once thought was out of reach. So if you're curious about what's actually possible if you put in the work, then stick around. I'm breaking down each income stream, sharing how they work, revealing how I was able to get the ball rolling, and yes, I will reveal the surprising amounts each income stream has brought in. Starting off with the first income stream I built for myself at the ripe age of 11 years old, in the comfort of my own bedroom, was the YouTube business model. Long before I created this need to paid channel, I was a full-time Roblox gaming YouTuber. And this business model was the only high income skill I had learned before I started dropshipping. This all began in 5th grade, where I was having a conversation with my friends about a rumor that they had heard that you could potentially make money off of posting YouTube videos. Now I turned out to be the only person that benefited from that conversation, because I took initiative, went home and did my own research, and I found out that it's actually true. You can make money posting YouTube videos. And the second I found that out, I began my journey posting YouTube videos every week. That's really the summarized version, but I've already covered the entire journey of when I started YouTube to now, and that's going to be in this video over here. The YouTube business model taught me firsthand that nothing will ever work out the first time. My videos failed consistently for the first 4 years until I got the hang of it and started to make better videos. Videos that were actually relevant to the things that my target audience was searching up on YouTube. This also taught me that people are never going to believe in you when you start trying to make money online. They'll give you a billion reasons on why it won't work, making you forget that there's a billion reasons why it could work. And I get it, it sounds crazy making thousands of dollars out of a laptop. But you have to come to the terms and accept that, bro, it's 2024. People are doing it. I'm doing it. And once you start doing it well enough to a certain degree, all of those people are going to turn around and act like they believed in you from day one. Since then, I've made exactly $5,000 from YouTube ad revenue on that channel alone, and that number is only going to rise up because I'm still posting videos over there, and I'm about to monetize this channel, Need to Paid. Earning my first few $1,000s from YouTube taught me one of the most powerful lessons about money, which is that money is harder to keep than it was to make. Put yourself in my shoes. If you are a 16-year-old living in a third world country and $700 hits your account, you would probably start feeling like the man and start balling out on all sorts of random stuff. And that's exactly what I did. I bought food, Ubers everywhere I went, Fortnite skins, basically anything I could afford until my bank account hit zero and I had to wait for the next payout. And after my bank account kept hitting zero time and time again, it gave me the idea to start this next business model. I began to get comments and DMs from my fans who needed help with something within the game and were willing to pay for that help. The way it worked was they'd pay me first, and then I log into their Roblox account and notify them once the task has been completed. And for this service, I used to charge anywhere from $10 to $20. And from that, I only ended up making about $100 in total. Why so little? Because this was not my main focus. I was mostly focused on actually putting the videos out. So I wasn't cold approaching these prospects, I was just waiting for them to reach out to me. It took until September 2023 to realize that what I was doing at that time wasn't really scalable. The gaming channel was sort of dying off, and that also meant that the in-game service payments were dying off. So I decided to take all my money, save it, and begin funneling it into something that can give me a positive return on my investment. And soon enough, I discovered the perfect business model for me. Good old dropshipping. Now, I first discovered dropshipping in 2022 watching a video exactly like this, where this young entrepreneur took us through the income streams that contributed to his wealth. I looked around his channel and watched a few of his guides on dropshipping, but decided to hold it off for a while because I wanted to wait for a time when I would have enough money and knowledge to begin. But if I'm really being honest, it just looked really complicated, and I wasn't trying to do that because my desire to get rich was not burning as strong as it is today. That curious spark of mine was ignited last year when a friend of mine posted on his Instagram story that he had made $20,000 from dropshipping. And he had proof. He actually used to be my Fortnite duo until he started going ghost, and the next time I heard from him was when he popped out with that Instagram story. And once I saw that story, I realized, oh, so wasting my time playing video games is where I'm going wrong. Obviously that doesn't mean Roblox, but Fortnite and all the other stuff I was doing that was not contributing to a positive balance in my bank account. I knew that if he could do it, I could do it. The same way if I could do it, you can do it. And around that time the stars were starting to perfectly align because I had just received a payout of about $500 that month for my YouTube channel. And so with my $500 in hand and belief in myself, I decided to fully commit to dropshipping. Once I began dropshipping, I was immediately hooked. I could not believe that for the first time in history, I could test a new business every day, and for the cheapest it's ever been. All I had to do was convince a certain amount of people to buy a physical product online. Something which is done every single day, because look at Amazon and how successful it is. It had to be easy. Or so I thought. Because as you know, these gurus always make everything sound easy. While I may not have had all the knowledge I needed to start dropshipping, I had the money, and that solved one piece of the puzzle. And regardless, there's not much valuable free information on YouTube. The only two ways to learn dropshipping are to go in and fail for yourself and learn from your failures, or to get a one-on-one mentor to guide you through it. Since I didn't have enough money for paid education, I was limited to the first option. I spent months enduring sleepless nights as I went through the cycle of watching YouTube videos, testing out their strategies, failing, learning from my failures, and then trying again. The entire dropshipping journey has been documented too on this channel, but a summarized version can be found in this video right here. After about 3 months of doing this, I got my first ever dropshipping sale. And once I got that proof of concept, the heat was on. Got real. I began to upload multiple videos a day on YouTube. I mean double uploads, triple uploads, sleeping at 5 AM. And from doing that, I funneled that money into dropshipping and managed to get my first ever $100 days. And this is only the beginning. I have good news for you. I actually work with select clients to help them get their first $100 days dropshipping too. And I do this with a method that I call first generation dropshipping. We help people start dropshipping with as little money invested as possible. But on top of that, we teach them how to find winning products that aren't just winning products. They're actually new to market because we want as little competition as possible for that product. Dropshipping has truly evolved since I started 1 year back, and there's some life-changing opportunities on the table. If you guys are interested in working with me or would like to scale your store up substantially, then click the first link in the description to join 2Paid Commerce. My fourth income stream is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products through a unique link that is different to each affiliate marketer. When somebody uses your unique link to make a purchase, you get a commission of the revenue generated. I really just let it run on autopilot in the background as I make money doing whatever else it is I do. Now, how did I start affiliate marketing? It's simple. After I got my first dropshipping sale, I started this channel to document my journey and motivate you guys. And since then, all I had to do was consistently upload videos. Same way all I had to do for dropshipping was consistently make new stores. And to get there, all I had to do was consistently upload videos on Roblox. As I said in the beginning, there is no get rich quick scheme. You have to work. Nothing is easy. Life is not easy. Life is hard. You have to work in order to get the things you want to get. And if you're not ready to work, then you are not a man. Back to the story, every time I mention a product in my videos like a spy tool or something, I always leave it linked in the description because I want you guys to see success exactly how I did. And as I grew the channel slowly, I discovered that all I needed to do to make a little bit extra money on the side was replace the link that I already put with an affiliate link. And that's it. The best part about this is that the customer buying the product does not lose any money or value on the product, so it's a win-win for both of us. Since I began affiliate marketing, my revenue generated has not yet surpassed $100, but I have no stress because the number will shoot up as this channel continues to blow up. Fifth income stream that contributes to my wealth is my personal brand. This isn't just about YouTube, it's about all social medias, from Instagram to Twitter to TikTok. It's about building a brand, creating an audience for yourself in the online space, and using that audience as leverage. And the reason I consider this an actual income stream and not just being an influencer is because there's literally infinite ways to monetize a personal brand. Because in this day and age, attention is the new oil. Attention is the most powerful form of currency in 2024. If you can get people's attention, you can make money. For instance, just from my gaming brand, I was already making money from AdSense revenue, and that was anywhere from $200 to $500 a month. But it doesn't stop there. Once you start to gain traction, companies will notice this and they'll begin to approach you and offer sponsorships, where they will pay you to integrate their product or service into your content. And that's when having a personal brand becomes a really powerful income stream. For example, I just made $550 today, and all I have to do is talk about a company in a video just like this. I talk to people the whole day. You mean to tell me that by talking to the camera for 30 seconds, I'm making more money in one day than what I used to earn from Roblox in a month or even 2 months sometimes? It's insane. Now, between my two personal brands, which is the gaming channel and Nate to Paid, the one that makes me the most revenue is Nate to Paid. As surprising as that may sound. If I never started dropshipping, I would never have this personal brand. And if I never started YouTube, I would have never started dropshipping. As you can see, each business model ties into another, creating a chain of opportunities to expand my wealth and make my bank account fatter day after day. The deeper I dug, the more diamonds I discovered. I have been making money from my personal brand for years though, because on my gaming channel, developers would also pay me around $40 to $50 per video to promote their game. And as I mentioned, I just got paid $550 today to promote a brand. And from this income stream, I've generated just under $2,000 in the past 4 months. The sixth and final income stream that contributes to my riches is my coaching program, To Paid Commerce. Since launch, I have mentored over 6 beginner dropshippers and I have taught them how to launch their first dropshipping store with my exact blueprint. And from what I taught them, they are now creating dropshipping stores within 3 days. Exactly how I do it. You can't afford to be wasting weeks building out one store when in 3 weeks you could have tested out 5 different stores. I hope you can understand what I mean. Inside To Paid Commerce, not only do you learn your way around dropshipping, I also teach you my habits and pass on my mindset to you. The same mindset that keeps me consistently pulling thousands of dollars out of my laptop. See, making money is 90% mindset. If you don't have an ironclad resolve, you will not make it. Nothing should be able to successfully deter you from your goals. Let me give you an example. I didn't want to make this video. Does that mean I'm not going to make it? Hell no! What the hell? That doesn't make any damn sense. If I don't upload, I don't eat. It's that simple, bro. Money doesn't fall out of the sky. So regardless of how I feel, regardless of how tired I am, whatever is on that whiteboard right there must be completed before the day ends, or I ain't fucking sleeping. And that's how you need to think, bro. Nothing at all should get in the way of you getting to your bag. If you let things get in your way, you're a clown and you won't make any bread. I used to let things get in my way and I just saw my income go down slowly, 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 until I became hard-headed, stopped listening to everyone's advice. It's not rocket science. Get your mind right. From my advice, one of my clients successfully started a dog walking business, earning $14 a day in a third world country. And he only has to work on that business for 2 hours a day when he's actually walking the dog. The reason I'm talking about a dog walking business and not dropshipping is because his main struggle was accumulating money in order to have a proper budget to run his Facebook ads. And so I put him on. I showed him the building blocks on how to do that within To Paid Commerce. I showed him how to create images for his business using graphic design. I told him how to understand the mindset of a consumer. and exactly what they want to hear in order for them to give you their money. And he's not lazy. I can teach you all I want, but if you're lazy, it's not going to work. He ain't lazy. He listened to what I told him. He put in the work every day. He sent me messages every single day asking, how can I fix this? How can I get more help here? And as a result, he closed his first client. And making money online is as simple as that. If you'd like to book a free 30-minute call to see if you're a good fit for my coaching program, then click the first link in the description. Looking back on the past 7 years as an entrepreneur, I just chuckle, bro, because each of these income streams started out as hard and in the negatives. They taught me that anything you want in life is possible. You just need to put the reps in. And I'm glad that I'm able to understand this mindset at such a young age, because this will give me the confidence to brute force my way through any single business venture that I will begin in my coming years. Now, all this is great, but the way it is right now, I have no consistent cash flow coming in on autopilot. And this is because I have no investments. And that is why I'm looking to start my investment portfolio and grow it through the coming 12 months. As of late, I've been looking at Bitcoin a lot and a lot of other smaller coins. But before I put even a single dollar in, I'm gonna get some investment advice from a mentor. And that should teach you something. Even if I know more than you in a particular field, and I am a mentor with mentees learning from me, I'm still humble enough to learn new things from other people. Because in life, you can never let your head get too big. You must always remain a student of life. None of this stuff would have happened to me if I didn't put my ass in the chair and get to work every damn day. This chair, I've made over $8,000. I've made over $8,000 online sitting on this chair. If you're watching this video and you're at zero and have no trust funds attached to your name, so you have to make it out by yourself, I want to assure you that you're in the right place by watching these kinds of videos online. Because watching videos like this from people like me who started from nothing and are now giving you tutorials to do it exactly how they did it, that's exactly how I started. Now, I'm incredibly grateful for all your support. Knowing that my content is reaching and inspiring millions worldwide is not something that I take for granted. Yes, creating these videos is one of my income streams. But to me, it's so much more than that. It's a mission to guide others where I once was. When I look into this lens right now, I see Nate in September 2023 struggling to start dropshipping. He knew nothing, bro. I knew nothing about CPA, CPM, metrics, Facebook ads, nothing. But here I am, 1 year and 2 months later, passing on my knowledge to someone else who's in the exact same situation. And from me to you, it's all gonna be alright. You just have to be okay with working every damn day. If you found this video inspiring or learned something new, then smash the like button, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. And I'm grateful for all your support. And until next time, my brothers, stay hard, keep grinding, and never give up.